Hey, hello, Kenneth. Good morning. Um, all right. So, as we discussed yesterday, this is a project. That is a pool-based deployment. Uh, so, from the architecture, like the diagram, this diagram, I just want to demonstrate what I've done. So, I've written a CI pipeline with GitLab. So what the pipeline does is it creates a multi-architecture image and push it to Docker Hub, and then from there, when the image is pushed to Docker Hub, we have there is a container running here called Watchtower. So it constantly monitors Docker Hub for any changes in the image and pulls the changes and run them on the robots. Yeah. So I have an Ubuntu. This Ubuntu server, which I'm representing it as a robot. Yeah. So first, in this robot or the Ubuntu server, we need your application running inside and the Watchtower container running. So if I come here and do a Docker PS, I already have my container running. As you can see, I already have my container, that is my application running. It's a Python app. I named it eBay bot sing, and also you can see the watchtower running. So again, this watchtower monitors the Docker repo. It monitors the Docker repo for any changes in the image, and when there is any change, it pulls down the image into the server, and it's recreates the image, redeploys the new version of the image. So let me do a Docker. Um, wait, I need this name. Doc, Docker, Docker logs. All right, these are the logs. What this is doing is like it monitors the Docker Hub as said earlier. And again, for yeah, so going back to the script. All right, this is my application. This is my application written in Python. So what I am doing right now, I have this version because I've deployed it. So right now I have this version running. This version running. If I come here, this should be it. Yeah, this is it, running on this Ubuntu. That this is the application running. If I Yeah, this is it, 3.0.1. All right, so and so this is it. This is my application, and this is the Docker file for it. And let me go to my GitLab CI pipeline. So what this does is it builds this before steps to like this is to create the builders for the Docker Buildx that is going to create the multi-architecture images. Yeah, so I've listed these two images, that is AMD 64 and ARM 64. So those are the images it's going to create. So what this pipeline does is it creates the image, it builds the image, and then push it to Docker Hub. Yeah, and if I can go to Docker Hub, I can show you This is all right. These are the images I've already pushed. Yeah, from this about eBay bot thing. This is it. I already created a repo and I've had this push. So right now, this is the image that is being deployed. And if you can see, for OS architecture, um, you have Linux. You have two different types of images here. Yeah. So on any, I created this on my AMD, that is machine on Mac 1 chip 1. Yeah, Mac, that is my Mac M1. Yeah. So and this will be running on the AMD. I created using ARM. So when pulling, it's going to choose. It has Docker is intelligent enough to know where it's deploying the image. So for that, all right, what I would do, I would like to do some changes in my application. Maybe I have a new update. I have a new update. So I have a new update. So let me update it to 3.0.2. Yeah. All right. So that's my new update. And I have to push this. Let me close this. Let me do, I think I have these commands here, git add, git commit, and git push. All right. So I've pushed that and let me go. You see, we still have this image. Let me go to my git. If I go here, you see it has triggered a build. It has triggered this build. So what? So right now it's going to build this and push it to Docker Hub. It's going to push here the changes. It's going to replace that image. And when it replaces the image, the robot is going to pull down the changes and run it and rerun the container inside. So this is not a push architecture deployment. It's a pull deployment. So let's give it some time. Don't know why this is taking long. Well, anyway, I know there are some enhancement that could be made to maybe like with cache and all that to make the pipeline faster. All right, very soon it's going to deploy this image and you see, it's the watch container is still watching over the repository, the Docker hub. When the container will be successfully pushed into Docker hub, you see there will be a change here. It's going to identify the change in the image, that an image has been pushed, a new version of the image has been pushed, or a change in the image. All right. Okay. Let's see. You see. All right. Now it says found new image, and now stopping the old image, and now recreating that image. So the new changes we've done. That is what the Watchtower image is doing, the container that is running within the robot. Yeah, so that is what it's doing. So if I go now, maybe to my application, you see, this is the old version that was there, 3.0.1. And if I do a refresh, it's now 2. That is, the pull has been done successfully, the image has been pulled, and the old one stopped and the new one created, deployed. Yeah, I think that is it for today. I'm going to drop the link to the Git repo, maybe for you to like get a better look into the code. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.